Hi, my name is Dintle, and I'd love to go to IMTA, and I'd love to be seen by the Hollywood agents. I want to be a singer, but profession. I love singing. Singing is actually my passion, and I'd love to see myself on stage with Jill Scott one day or Jay-Z, because I really think I can make it, and I think I'm a star. I'm going to be singing Alicia Keys' If I Ain't Got You. Some people live for a fortune. Some people live just for the fame. Some people live for the power. Yeah, yeah. Some people live just to play the game. 'Cause some people think that the physical things define what's within, and I've been there before, but that life's so bored, so full of a superficial. 'Cause some people want it all, but I don't want nothing at all. If it ain't you, baby, if ain't got you, baby. Some people want diamond rings, some just want everything, but everything means nothing if I ain't got you.